Hello lovelies, so this is my first ever makeup tutorial and I have created this look and I'm very happy with the look, how it turned out. And I have a hack for this red lipstick, and if you want to see how I did this red lipstick and the makeup, then keep on watching the video. So I'm going to use a primer from Maybelline. And the second thing I'm going to use is foundation from Maybelline in 220, which is my favorite foundation. But I love makeup, and whenever I'm filming YouTube videos or if I'm going night out or even for parties, I do this makeup. I love using blender. So after foundation, I'm going to use a concealer from Maybelline in Fitme and H3 ones, and just under your eyes. Neutralizer. I know I kind of look scary, but I love blender and just do that stuff. This step. And for the powder, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution powder, which is obviously my favorite. To bake sometimes, and sometimes I just go with the normal, and today I feel like not baking, so I just and also in your neck, it's from Urban TK primer. Just a little bit eye primer goes a long way, and just to use my hands. I'm using Huda Beauty palette, dusk, and just taking a little bit and then I'm going to use this out. This is a normal color brown. I'm just stepping off and just in your outer lid. And just blending it. I'm going to use this amber, stepping. Look perfect, but if you don't blend your eyeshadow, it's going to look a little bit crazy. In the Rose Nefrite. Eyebrow pencil and just drawing my under eyelids. I'm using a simple eyeliner. I am now just obsessed with the simple and using an eye curler. I am going to use my favorite from Maybelline. So I'm going to use Catrice. So eyelash plays a very big role in my makeup. Very big, because without eyelash I think I look very different person. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use Anastasia Dipbrow and brush and a little bit. simple brush. Eyebrow one angle. Anastasia palette and taking this shade. I just loved upward motion ma blending day. And after that, I'm going to use bronzer from Huda. For the blush, I'm using Makeup Revolution palette from this pink. And for the highlighter, I am mixing this color, whichever. Over nose. For the lipstick, Sensational lipliner. And using Maybelline Go, Pure, Fenty Beauty Go, Uncensored. And red never goes wrong with anything. In my lipstick, I just tap and just with a brush, brush, and just it gives you that perfect red lipstick, which I really love. And I'm going to use a cinder, and here's the cinder. Because I'm married. And obviously Tika. I'm going to use a Tika in color. Going to put a Tika. Yes. This is the final look, and I really love this look. Thank you so much for watching my first ever makeup tutorial, and if you guys want to see more tutorials, then comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.